Welcome to the AEG workshop. Fiberglass, our very own custom moulds made and fitted for your motorhome. Here we have Derek blowing off the excess dust from the night before. Here Derek takes a predetermined weight of resin and the correct amount of catalyst and gives it a good mix so it's ready for application. Then Derek begins to wet the mould so it's ready for a layer of fiberglass matting. Hours later, the part will be ready to extract from the mould. And there is the final extraction of the part from the mould, ready to be trimmed and fitted into an AEG motorhome.